Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Loom for LinkedIn video introductions step by step clearly. To register with Loom for LinkedIn video introductions, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Loom website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will see options to sign up using your email, Google account, or other methods. Choose your preferred sign-up method. If you select email, enter your email address and create a secure password. If you choose Google, you will be redirected to sign in to your Google account. Follow the prompts to authorize Loom to access your account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, check your inbox for a verification email from Loom. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verifying, return to the Loom website to log in. Input your registered email and password to access your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To integrate Loom with LinkedIn, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the settings icon, then navigate to the Integrations tab. Find the LinkedIn option and click on it. Follow the prompts to connect your LinkedIn account with Loom. After connecting, you can start creating video introductions. Click on the New Video button to begin recording your introduction. Choose your recording settings, such as full screen or webcam only. Prepare your script and hit the Record button when you're ready. Once done, click on the Stop button to finish recording. Edit your video if necessary, adding titles or annotations. Preview your video to ensure it meets your standards. When satisfied, click on the Share button to get a link. Copy the link and head over to your LinkedIn profile. Start a new post to share your video introduction with your network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.